Today we are going to be discussing van stuff, okay? I know I'm inside, but I'll tell you why in a minute. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sabrina, if you do not know, and I typically make videos surrounding life, you know, around Daddy Girl. Today, we are still going to be continuing on with this van. I want to show you the van build. We actually, this past weekend, we actually, you know, did some camping, okay? We went camping in the van. Me, Love, Dude, and Daddy Girl. We actually went out and we did some camping. We stayed overnight in the van, and I'm gonna tell you how that went. But first, before we go out there, I need to grab a plant, okay? I put a plant in the van. If you seen from the last video, if you didn't, go check that video out, okay? So right now I'm in here, and I think I want to grab this here plant, and I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna show you why. So we're gonna see how this here do in the van. I hope it do okay, because this plant, I don't know how well it do with heat, but we're gonna find out. I don't even know if this will work, if you can actually have a plant in the van, okay? I actually had a plant already in the van, and it didn't work out because that plant is, let me go and show you. I'm just gonna show you. Let's just go out here and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, and then we're gonna get into, that door needs some WD-40 in it, seriously. Okay, so this is the bed. Now somebody want to cut the yard. This is what it's looking like. So about the bed, okay, I'm gonna put some footage up here and show you how we were able to do this, explain it to you. So what we did is Love put two 2x4s up under here, up under this here setup, and then we have one of those lifetime tables that we got from Sam's on top of it, and we just strapped it down, and yeah, it made the bed sturdy. It's not moving nowhere. We've been up here, it's not even moving. I don't know if you can, it's not going nowhere. And then it's not like we driving with somebody up there. It's just, you know, while we are mobile, and it worked perfectly fine for that girl. So this is what we used for her for our camping trip that we was on this weekend. Okay, so yeah. So only thing that we had to do was kind of make it so that it can like incline, you know, I think that's the word, like so it can lift up, because Mia don't like to be flat, and she don't like to be set up too high either, like at a 90, or she even like a, yeah, she just got to be reclined a little bit. So we took these here two pillows, this pillow and that pillow over there, and stuck it up under the mattress, and that worked out fine. It was perfectly fine. But we are looking for some type of a bed that we can use, you know. We've been looking on Amazon and other places, and pretty soon, once we make up our mind, we'll choose something, and we'll have a more just a better setup for her and for us. Another thing that we are going to be doing this week is we are going to be taking this twin bed away and putting a queen size up here. So with that being said, if you want to see how we do that, how we actually make this here van, I meant this bed, leave it in the comments. You have to leave it in the comments. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video and show you how to do this here. Because the reason why I'm saying that is because if you have a van, okay, it don't have to be this big. It don't have to be this big. It can be like an SUV. This bed setup could possibly help you. Don't be afraid to get out in your vehicle and do you some overnight stays, okay? Save you some coins. There's nothing wrong with that, okay? Don't be worried about what other people saying and thinking about you. Save your coins and experience it. I tell you, I cannot wait to do it again. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to this here weekend. But anyways, that's our bed setup. Back to this here plant. I want to tell you about this here plant, okay? I want to have some life in here. This just make me have a part of the inside of the house out here, and that's the look that I'm going for. I want the van to kind of, you know, be an extension of the house, what the house look like. And I brought this here, I think it's called a golden pothos. If I'm wrong, don't, what is this thing? It don't even say. Exotic angel. It don't even say. But I think that's a golden pothos. If it's not, somebody let me know down below what's the name of this here particular plant. I just call them all pothos. Well, I don't even, they just pothos to me, not no pothos. I say pothos. And this is the reason why I wanted to bring this plant in here. The other one, actually, it needed to sit on top of something, and we needed all of our flat surface, you know, when we was out here. We needed all that space. So I said a hanging plant would be better. So, and perfect, it will match this here. So we're supposed to have to put this together while I was out here, but with us putting Daddy Girl together and everything, getting her together, we just ran out of time. So yeah, we weren't able to do this here, but I am so excited to do this here. So we'll save this here to this here up and coming weekend. Hopefully we get around to doing this here, because I'm so excited. And it's 11. Oh my goodness. It's not. That's the name of it. It's 372 pieces to that. I'm so excited. So that is why, once again, I decided to bring this plant out here, you know, because it can hang. And also it's up here hanging from this here magnet. I got that magnet from Harbor Freight, and I won't drive with that up there because this magnet is not strong enough. I got some more coming from Amazon, and then I'll leave that hanging. But for right now, I'm gonna take that down, okay? Because it's not gonna hold. I don't know what's the weight on that, but it's not gonna hold that. I already know. So when I get the other magnets, then I leave it up there. But I just hope the heat in the van, because it's summer here, I hope that the heat don't, you know, bother the plant. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you, the van build. I meant the bed build. Also, if you want me to show you our setup, I can do that too. But like I said, you have to leave it in the comments. Y'all gotta let me know what you want me to show you. We are back on this here journey of trying to get this here van built out. Okay, we are going to do it ourselves, and if that's something that you are interested in, please stay tuned to the channel. Okay, like I said, I make videos surrounding, you know, Daddy Girl, you know, me keeping myself busy, and you know, also we trying to get on our adventures. We wanted to do some mini adventures, you know, while we have Daddy Girl. Daddy Girl should not be a reason why we do not get out and enjoy life. Okay, so now that we back on this hill journey of finishing the van build, we can do those things, and I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. You have no idea. But that is it for this video. I don't think I have anything else I want to say. Plus my time is running out. I ain't trying to be, you know, holding y'all up too long. I don't want to hold you too long. And that's it. So I'll be making hopefully I'm gonna try and post another video this week. So like I said, don't forget to like this video. Let me know what you think about the bed build, and don't forget to try something like this here. If you are planning on, oh, cut this hair, this is too light. Oh, that's too bright. If you are planning on, you know, doing any kind of travels or anything like that, take advantage of your vehicle. Use what you have. You don't have to go out and spend all this money when you have a comfortable space, or a space that you can make comfortable. Just try it. Okay, save your coins. Okay, save your coins. Put them coins towards other things. Put them coins towards your trip, instead of, you know, spending money on a, what you say, like a Airbnb or something like that, you know. Yeah, so that's all I gotta say. Don't forget to sprinkle the channel, like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.